Hey gorgeous, have you ever felt that fire in your belly, that undeniable urge to create, to share, to do something you love, that thing you could do all day, every day and never get tired of? That, my friend, is your passion talking, and guess what? It's not just a hobby or a pipe dream, it's your ticket to a life you love, a life filled with purpose and abundance. That's right, your passion, that unique gift you have, can be the foundation of a wildly successful business. And no, you don't need a fancy degree or $1 million to get started. What you need is inside you right now: passion, grit, and a willingness to take action. In this video, I'm going to break down the exact steps to turn your passion into a profitable business, a business that lights you up and allows you to live life on your terms. So grab your journal, get comfy, and let's dive in. This is going to be fun. Alright beauties, let's kick things off with the most delicious step of all: uncovering your passion. This is the foundation of everything, the spark that will ignite your journey. This is where we get to tap into your inner rock star, your zone of genius. It's about finding that unique rhythm that makes your heart sing and your spirit soar. It's about identifying that special something that sets your soul on fire, that thing you can't stop thinking about, even when you're supposed to be doing something else. Ask yourself these juicy questions. What makes you lose track of time? What activities make hours feel like minutes because you're so engrossed in them? What could you talk about for hours on end? What topics light you up and make you feel alive when you discuss them with others? What activities leave you feeling energized and fulfilled, even after you've poured your heart and soul into them? These are the clues to your passion. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, Marie, I'm not sure what my passion is. And that's a totally normal feeling, and that's okay. We've all been there. It's a journey of self-discovery, and sometimes it takes a little time and exploration. If you're feeling a little stuck, think back to moments in your life when you felt truly alive, when you were in your element. Those moments hold valuable insights. Maybe it was that time you baked a cake for your best friend's birthday, and it was a total showstopper. The joy and satisfaction you felt are key indicators. Or perhaps it was that killer presentation you aced at work, where your ideas flowed effortlessly and captivated the entire room. That sense of accomplishment is a clue. Remember, your passion doesn't have to be something grand or extraordinary. It can be found in the simplest of activities that bring you joy. It could be as simple as organizing, writing heartfelt letters, or even knowing how to perfectly pair cheese with wine. These small joys are just as important. The key is to identify what brings you joy, what makes you feel truly aligned with your authentic self. It's about finding that inner harmony. Trust me, your passion is within you, waiting to be unleashed. Embrace the journey and let your true self shine. Okay, gorgeous. You've identified that thing that makes your heart sing. Now let's talk business. It's time to take that passion and turn it into something that not only fulfills you, but also brings value to others. Because here's the deal, passion is powerful, but to create a thriving business, we need to make sure there are people out there who are just as passionate about what you offer. It's about finding those who resonate with your vision and are eager to support it. In other words, we need to tap into market demand. This means understanding the needs and desires of your potential customers and aligning your offerings to meet those needs. Think of it like this: you've baked the most amazing, mouth-watering chocolate chip cookies the world has ever seen. They're perfect in every way, and you know people would love them if they just had a chance to try them. But if you're selling them in a town that only eats gluten-free, sugar-free kale chips, well, you might not have the response you're looking for. It's crucial to know your audience and their preferences. So let's find your tribe. These are the people who will become your loyal customers, your biggest fans, and your greatest advocates. Who are the people who need what you have to offer? What are their interests, their habits, and their pain points? Are there enough of them out there who are willing to pay for your product or service? This is where market research comes into play. Let's say you're a fitness fanatic who loves creating personalized workout plans. Awesome, you have the skills and the passion. But who are you targeting? Are you clear about who will benefit the most from your expertise? Are you focused on busy moms who want to squeeze in quick workouts at home? They need efficient, effective routines that fit into their hectic schedules? Or are you catering to athletes looking to take their performance to the next level? They require specialized training plans to enhance their skills and endurance. Get crystal clear on your ideal customer. Who are they? What drives them? What are their goals and challenges? What are their pain points? Understanding their struggles will help you tailor your offerings to provide real solutions. And most importantly, how can your passion solve their problems and make their lives better? When you align your passion with their needs, you create a win-win situation that leads to success. Listen up, my friend, because this is a big one. Perfectionism is the enemy of progress. So many aspiring entrepreneurs get stuck in the trap of waiting for the perfect time to launch, or for their website to be absolutely flawless before they put themselves out there. But here's the truth. You don't need a fully fledged business plan or a fancy website to get started. You just need to take action. Start small, test your idea in the real world, and get feedback from your target audience. Think of it like dipping your toes in the water before you dive in head first. Create a small product or service that represents your passion and share it with the world. Love creating digital art? Amazing. Launch an Instagram account and start posting your designs. Passionate about making all-natural skincare products? Whip up a small batch and gift them to friends and family in exchange for their honest feedback. Remember, this stage is all about experimentation and learning. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They're valuable lessons in disguise. Embrace the journey, stay open to feedback, and watch as your idea begins to blossom. Chapter 4. Brand baby brand. Alright, gorgeous. Now that you've dipped your toes into the entrepreneurial waters, it's time to create a brand that truly reflects your passion and captivates your dream customers. Your brand is the heart and soul of your business, and it's what will set you apart in a crowded marketplace. Think of your brand as your business's personality. It's what makes you stand out from the crowd and attracts the right people to your world. It's the unique voice that speaks directly to your audience, making them feel understood and valued. So, how do you create a brand that's as fabulous as you are? It starts with clarity. You need to be crystal clear about who you are, what you stand for, and what you offer. What are your core values? What makes your product or service unique? These are the foundational elements that will shape your brand's identity and message. What feeling do you want people to have when they interact with your brand? Think about the emotions you want to evoke and the experience you want to create for your customers. Once you have a clear understanding of your brand identity, it's time to bring it to life visually. This includes everything from your logo to your website design. Choose a name that's catchy, memorable, and reflects your brand essence. Your brand name should be easy to remember and resonate with your target audience. Design a logo that's visually appealing and represents your unique style. Your logo is often the first thing people will see, so make sure it leaves a lasting impression. And don't forget about your brand colors and fonts. They should all work together to create a cohesive and unforgettable brand experience. These elements should reflect your brand's personality and values. Remember, consistency is key. Use the same colors, fonts, and overall aesthetic across all of your online platforms, from your website to your social media channels. Consistency helps build trust and recognition. This will help you create a strong and recognizable brand that people will instantly connect with. A well-crafted brand will not only attract customers but also foster loyalty and long-term relationships. Chapter 5, Cha-ching, let's monetize. Okay, my love, it's time to talk about the part we've all been waiting for, making money. Because here's the truth. You deserve to be generously compensated for sharing your gifts with the world. And the beautiful thing is, there are countless ways to monetize your passion. Whether you're a creative soul, a tech whiz, or a natural-born teacher, there's a monetization strategy out there that's perfect for you. Let's start with some classics. If you're a maker at heart, selling physical products could be your jam. Think handmade jewelry, candles, artwork, or even clothing. Love connecting with people and helping them solve problems? Offering services like coaching, consulting, or freelance writing could be your sweet spot. But here's where it gets really exciting. The online world is your oyster. Create and sell digital products like ebooks, online courses, or templates. Launch a membership site and offer exclusive content to your loyal tribe, or share your knowledge and expertise on a YouTube channel and earn ad revenue. Chapter 6. Build your tribe, share your journey. Alright, my friend, let's talk about something super important. Building a community around your brand. Because here's the thing. In the online world, connection is everything. People want to connect with real human beings, not faceless brands. So how do you build a thriving community that loves what you do and can't wait to support your journey? It all starts with authenticity. Share your story, your why, and the heart and soul behind your brand. Don't be afraid to be vulnerable and let people see the real you. Share your struggles, your triumphs, and everything in between. People connect with vulnerability and authenticity. It makes you relatable and builds trust. Engage with your followers, respond to comments, and show them that you're not just a business, but a real person who cares about their audience. Host Quanda sessions, go live on Instagram, and create a space where people feel heard, seen, and valued. Chapter 7. Never stop learning and growing. Listen up, gorgeous, because this is a big one. The world of business is constantly evolving, and to stay ahead of the game, you need to be a lifelong learner. Think of it like this. Your business is a living, breathing entity, and just like you, it needs constant nourishment and growth to thrive. So, make a commitment to never stop learning, expanding your knowledge, and refining your skills. Read books, listen to podcasts, and follow industry leaders who inspire you. Take online courses, attend workshops, and invest in your personal and professional development. The more you learn and grow, the more you'll be able to serve your audience and take your business to the next level. Remember, the most successful entrepreneurs are the ones who are constantly seeking out new information, challenging themselves, and adapting to the ever-changing market. Chapter 8. Consistency plus resilience equals success. You are amazing, you are strong, and you are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. But building a successful business from the ground up takes time, my friend. There will be ups and downs, moments of doubt, and times when you want to throw in the towel. But here's the secret: consistency beats talent every single time. So when things get tough, and they will, remember why you started. Reconnect with your passion. Tap into your inner strength, and keep going. Celebrate your wins, no matter how small, and learn from your setbacks. Remember, every successful entrepreneur has faced challenges and setbacks along the way. It's not about avoiding failure, it's about having the resilience to get back up, dust yourself off, and keep moving forward. Outro. You got this. There you have it, my friend. Your step-by-step guide to turning your passion into a profitable business. Remember, the world needs your unique gifts and talents. So embrace your passion, take action, and watch as your dreams unfold. Now, I want to hear from you. What's one step you're going to take today to turn your passion into profit? Share it with me in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more juicy tips and inspiration, and share it with a friend who needs to hear this message.